Here is my project named memomate, where we can sign in on our by using sign in button, where I use the Google Auth. The user data is stored in the MongoDB, where afterwards I fetch the data name from the object that has been given to me from Google Auth. After that, you can add here or update here all the things like title as well as updated dated now, as well as you can update here and click on update button. It will be updated and come at the first, so that I can know what was my recently updated file. Update as well as we can delete the node. I've already created many nodes to showcase the features. There's also pagination where you can go through our pages. Like in case I want to go to the next page where rest of my nodes are stored, I can also create new node by clicking on new node button, where I have a feature of new node and new node data, and click on button add node. It will be added and pushed at the first. I can also search, like I have created already created a MongoDB tutorial. So I can search Mongo, and it will be coming at the search lyrics. It is searched as well as by content and as well as by title. In case I want to open, I can open as well as delete or update. In my dashboard, all the notes that I've created are shown here. The logout button log out me and take me to the home